Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's quick video, I'm going to be explaining to you why your YouTube TV is stuck on a black screen, and I'm also going to show you how you can fix it in 2026. Now, first of all, a temporary app or any memory glitch is one of the most common causes of this type of black screen. So in order to fix it, you need to simply restart your smart TV, your Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, your Chromecast or the gaming console. Then you just have to do nothing but to just simply reopen the YouTube TV again after the device fully reboots. Now, the second thing that you need to take care of is the internet connection. So a weak internet connection or the unstable internet can cause the YouTube TV to load incorrectly. So you need to make sure that you test another streaming application or you run a quick speed check. If the videos buffer, freeze or fail to load, you need to simply restart your router and reconnect the device to the Wi-Fi again. Instead of simply backing out the application, you can also force close it completely. On many smart TVs and the streaming devices, the app continue running in the background and corrupted temporary data can trigger the black screen issues until the application is fully restarted. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your YouTube TV is now working properly again in your TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.